These lessons are designed for you to be able to learn in the way that a baby learns, some of those very early ways to hold your head and balance your head and use your eyes. Eventually, being able to roll a little bit from side to side so you didn't have to stay in the position of lying on your back that you're usually in for the first few months of life. After that, the baby gets more interested in the environment and it learns to extend out into the environment, learns to roll over. Once a baby can be on its front, then their head can start to be organized in the same relationship to the environment that it will be later in sitting and in standing. And in this position, to locomote yourself, to be able to find a way to move to where you want to go. And after that, learning to sit and then eventually making that transition from sitting to standing is where we'll end up at the end of this series of 6 lessons.